Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to generate video on Vivago AI. So guys, let's get started. First guys, open your account here as you can see here on your device, and the first step 2 guys, click on video generate option as you can see here, and click here your prompt guys, and click as you can see here, and you can change the strength motion, and you can increase and decrease, and you can choose the model as you can see here, and choose the respect size of screen, and just click on generate guys, and you will generate your video successfully. Here as you can see here guys, the video will generate here. Just write a prompt here guys and click generate. This is how you can generate guys the video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.